are a set of 4 Schindlers at David Jones at Emporium, Melbourne. Get the middle left one. Go up to level 5. Going up. Sorry, which floor?
Level 5.
Okay.
Level 5.
Have a nice day. Lower ground's locked. Look at the ground button. It's unusual. Right, we'll do a cab view. I really like the cab. I like the old light too. Old to the touch.
Ground floor.
We'll end it on level. You're going up?
Yep.
Which 4?
Yeah, 4.
Thank you. You guys going up?
Yes, thank you.
Alright. Twitch 4?
Don't know. Women's 2.
Level 2?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Woman shoes been sound.
Level 2. Coming up.
Thank you. Have a great one. Door close button works. I like that.
Level 4.
Thanks. I'll let you hop out first.
Thanks, mate.
Have a great day. It's the first lift, second lift, third lift, which is currently out of order, and the 4th lift. And that's it.